So you're saying you're me. Did I really need to say that for you to figure that one out? Okay, the sarcasm checks out, so it does seem like you at least think like me. What part of exact clone are you missing here? How do you know you're an exact clone? It literally says exact clone in the buttons manual. It didn't come with a manual. It's online. When did you have time to find that? Look, man, I had a life before you knew me. Did you now? How is that possible? I don't have to explain anything to you. You were a lot nicer when I first met you. And you were a lot less ugly when I first met you. Is that really an insult? Yes, because you're fugly. But we look the exact same. Nope. What? Nope. Jesus, am I always this insufferable? Are you always this fugly? Well, I'm done with this conversation. Ha! Loser. Wait for me.